Good afternoon, all of you. Today I am delivering a lecture on differential equation and their types of differential equation. Then, in this differential equation, how to calculate the order and degree of the differential equation. So, I am presenting the PPT on the differential equation. First, we have to see what is meant by the differential equation. Differential equation means an equation which involves the differential of one or more variables. Differential equation which involve the differential of one or more variables with respect to some other variables are known as a differential equation. That means in a simple language, I say that the different that means which include the dependent variable, independent variable, and derivatives of first order, second order, or third order up to the nth order derivative. This equation are called as a differential equation. If you consider that y is a dependent variable and x is a independent variable, x is a independent variable, then their first order derivative, that means dy by dx, is a first order derivative. That means in this dy by dx, y is a dependent variable and x is a independent variable. So in this first equation, we observe that here include the first order derivative of y with respect to x is a dy by dx. In this equation, include the dependent variable, include the dependent variable y, also independent variable x, and their first order derivatives. Their first order derivative, that means dy by dx. So this equation is called as a differential equation. Then in second example, we observe that in this second example, there also two independent variable x and y, and one dependent variable is a u. So this equation also differential equation. By the definition of differential equation, that means the equation which include the dependent variable and independent variable and their respective derivative. That means it includes the first order derivative, second order derivative, third order derivative. This equation are called as a differential equation. Then there are two types of differential equation. There are two types of differential equation. First type is a ordinary differential equation. Ordinary differential equation, and the second type is a partial differential equation. First, we have to see that what is meant by ordinary differential equation. That means the ordinary differential equation means we have to see the definition of the ordinary differential equation. The differential equation involving the derivatives. The differential equation involving the derivative with respect to single independent variable. With respect to single independent variable is called as the ordinary differential equation. That means in an ordinary differential equation, which that means the differential equation involving the derivative with single independent variable. Derivative, here in ordinary differential equation we have to consider the differential derivatives with respect to single independent variable. Single derivative with respect to single independent variable is called as the ordinary differential equation. We have to see from the example. In the example first, x into dy by dx plus y is equal to 0. Is equal to 0. This is the ordinary differential equation. How to identify this is the ordinary differential equation? By the definition of the ordinary differential equation. Here, y is a dependent variable. Y is a dependent variable and x is an independent variable. In this equation, here include the derivative with respect to single independent variable. Dy by dx is a first order differential equation. That means in the first order differential equation, here in this equation include the single derivative with respect to single independent variable is the x. So is called as a ordinary differential equation. There is no term present other than the x. That means there is no differential with respect to y. This term is not present here. The only the derivative of single independent variable. Derivative of single independent variable dx is present, so it's called as the ordinary differential equation. Then in equation number 2, we observe that the equation 2 is a d square y by dx square plus 5 dy by dx plus 7y is equal to 0. This is also ordinary differential equation. In this equation here we have to take differential with respect to x. Differential with respect to x. So here in this equation include the derivative with respect to single independent variable is a x. Derivative with respect to single independent variable x. So it's called as the ordinary differential equation. Here include the derivative with respect to single independent variable x. So that means in the first step it is a differential twice with respect to x. In the second term we have to differentiate y with respect to x. That means in this we are here the single independent derivative of single independent term, that means dx is present, so is called as a ordinary differential equation. Then we have to see the second type of partial differential equation. The second type of partial differential equation, that means any differential equation involving the differential, with respect to two or more independent variable. With respect to two or more independent variable is known as partial differential equation. That means in the first equation, W is a dependent variable. And in this equation, there are in the first term we have to differentiate with respect to x. Differentiate with respect to x. In the second term, we have to differentiate with respect to y twice time, and in a third term, we have to differentiate this with respect to z twice time. That means in the first term we have to differentiate x, second term differentiate with respect to y, and third term differentiate with respect to z. That means here more three independent variable. We have to differentiate this equation with respect to x, y, z. That means so it is a partial differential equation. That means there is no single independent variable. We have to differentiate this with respect to x, with respect to y, with respect to z. So it is a partial differential equation. In a second example, z is a dependent variable, and x and y are the independent variable. So in a equation second, we have to differentiate this dependent variable z with respect to x and with respect to y also. With respect to x and y, with respect to y also. So by the definition of partial differential equation, that means there is a differential with respect to two or more independent variable. Here in this equation we have to differentiate z, two more independent variable x and y. So it is a partial differential equation. Then we have to see the order and degree of equation. Order and degree of the differential. First we have to see the order of differential equation. That means the order of highest derivative in the equation is the order of differential equation. The order of highest derivative in the equation is the order of differential equation. That means highest derivative in the differential equation is the order of this differential equation. Here in the first example is x into dy by dx plus y is equal to 0. Here this is the first order differential equation. That means we have to differentiate y with respect to x one times. So it is a first order differential equation, and the order of higher derivative. Order of higher derivative is the order of differential equation. In this equation 1, the higher derivative is the first order derivative. That means dy by dx. So order is 1. Order is 1. And in equation number 2 is d square y by dx square plus 5 dy by dx plus 7y is equal to 0. 7y is equal to 0. So in this equation, the order of higher derivative, that means first term is the second order derivative, and the second term is the first order derivative. Highest order derivative, that means highest order coefficient, highest order derivative coefficient. That means here we have to differentiate twice with respect to x, and here differentiate only one time with respect to x. Therefore, in this equation, d square y by dx square is a second order. This is a second order derivative. Therefore, highest order derivative. That means here highest order derivative is a d square y by dx square. The highest order derivative in the equation is the order of differential equation. So in this equation order is 2. Then in equation number 3, we observe that the equation number 3 is a sec square y into bracket d cube y by dx cube bracket come to raised to cube d square y by dx square plus tan x into dy by dx bracket raised to 6 is equal to in bracket x plus dy by dx bracket complete raised to square. So in this equation we observe that in the first term order of differential equation is nothing but order of higher derivative. Here this is the third order derivative. And this is third order derivative have a order of higher derivative. That means this is the third order derivative. This is the second order derivative, and this is the first order derivative. This is also first order derivative. Here the highest order derivative is a d cube y by dx cube. Highest order is a 3. Highest order is a 3, and by the definition, highest order derivative is the order of differential equation. So order of this highest order is a 3. So order of this differential equation is a 3. Then equation number 4, we observe the equation number 4 is a dabba square w by dabba x square plus dabba square w by dabba y square plus dabba square w by dabba z square is equal to 0. In this equation, here the first term is a second order derivative. Second term is also second order derivative. Third term is a second. That means highest derivative term is a second order derivative. So the order of higher derivative is the order of differential equation. So order of higher derivative is a 2. So order of this differential equation is a 2. Then the equation number 5 in bracket 1 plus bracket dy by dx bracket complete raised to power 2. Then the bracket complete raised to cube is equal to in bracket d square y by dx square bracket complete square. In this equation, the highest order derivative, this is dy by dx is the first order derivative, and the d square y by dx square is the second order derivative. Highest order derivative is the d square y by dx square. So order is 2. Then we have to see the degree of differential equation. Degree of higher derivative in the equation. Degree of higher derivative in the equation is the degree of differential equation. Degree of higher derivative or the power of highest derivative in the equation is the degree of differential equation. That means highest power, highest derivative, power of highest derivative is the degree of differential equation. So in equation number 1, is in bracket 1 plus in bracket dy by dx bracket complete square in bracket close bracket raised to cube is equal to in bracket d square y by dx square raised to power 2. So in this equation, the highest derivative is a, this is a first order derivative, this is a first order derivative. This is a second order derivative. Highest order derivative is a d square y by dx square. And the power of highest order derivative, is the degree of differential equation. Then the power of highest order derivative, that means d square y by dx square is a 2. So degree of this differential equation is a 2. Then in second equation, we observe the second equation is a d square y by dx square plus 5 dy by dx plus 7y is equal to 0. Then by the definition of degree of differential equation is degree power of highest derivative. Power of highest derivative in the equation is the degree of differential equation. Then in this equation, higher derivative is a d square y by dx square, and the power of this higher derivative is a 1. So degree is 1. Then in third equation is the sec square y into d cube into bracket d cube y by dx cube bracket complete raised to power 3 d square y by dx square plus tan x into bracket dy by dx bracket complete raised to power 6 is equal to in bracket x plus dy by dx bracket complete raised to power 2. In this equation we have to find the degree of the differential equation, and degree of differential is nothing but highest order power of highest derivative. Power of highest derivative is nothing but degree of this differential equation. Highest derivative is a dy by dx is a first order derivative. Then dy by dx is a also first order derivative. But the definition of degree is a highest order derivative. Highest order derivative is nothing but a power of highest order derivative is the degree of differentiation. Therefore, highest order derivative is a d cube y by dx cube, and its power is 3. So degree of this differential equation is a 3. Then the fourth equation is 1 in bracket 1 plus bracket dy by dx bracket complete raised to power 2 bracket complete raised to cube is equal to in bracket d square y by dx square bracket complete raised to power 3. Degree here the highest derivative is d square y by dx square, and the highest power of highest derivative is a 3. Uh, Power of highest derivative 3. So degree of highest power d square y by dx square is a 3. So here not a highest power, that means dy by dx the power is 6. So 6 is not a degree of the differential equation. We have to consider only power of highest derivative. So here the power of highest derivative d square y by dx square, and its power is 3. So degree of the differential equation is a 3. So in this way we have to see the what is meant differential equation, then order and degree, how to calculate the order and degree of this differential equation.